Driving in winter can be challenging, with icy roads, reduced visibility and unpredictable weather conditions. Staying safe starts with preparation and knowing how to adapt your driving habits. Here are some essential tips to help you navigate the colder months with confidence. 1. Check your vehicle. Ensure the tyres have good tread and they're properly inflated. Top up antifreeze and screen wash. Make sure lights and wipers are working. 2. Use the right headlights in winter. Winter brings darker, longer nights and poorer visibility, so use dipped headlights in rain, fog and low light. Don't rely on auto lights, they may not come on early enough. Use fog lights in conditions of seriously reduced visibility, normally less than 100 metres, and switch them off once it clears. The location of the fog light switch can vary depending on the make and model of the car, so check your vehicle's handbook. 3. Slow down on unlit roads. Rural roads and motorways without streetlights reduce your ability to see hazards. Watch for wildlife, especially at night. Roads can be icy even if they might look clear. 4. Stay alert behind the wheel. Do not drive if you're tired. If you do feel tired, stop and take a break. A caffeinated drink might help. Pull over somewhere safe and stretch your legs. 5. Keep a winter emergency kit in your car. Include essentials like a torch with spare batteries, a blanket, de-icer, screen wash, water, snacks, and a high-vis vest, and of course a phone power bank. These items will keep you warm, visible and connected if you're ever stuck or waiting for assistance.